Guys, we're back for another lunch, and yesterday Brandon had math in kindergarten, right? And they taught you what?
Tally marks.
Tally marks. So we're doing a tally mark theme, I guess it's a counting theme. So we're gonna do chicken fries today from Tyson's. There's 5 of them. Can you show us how to make a tally mark for 5?
So we put these here, like board and here, then we'll meet at the one.
There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and across for 5. Good job. And so then we have some lettuce, and then I put some carrots, and I cut them out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I also gave him 5 pretzels. And then we have this new Baby Bell cheese that I found. This is made from Baby Bell, but it's not the circular one. It actually is a spiral. Looks like a little rope pinwheel thing here. So we have that I'm gonna see if he likes. So that's a new thing that I found. And then his regular mandarin oranges, some blueberries, and some multivitamins that I put there in the center. And then his water.
And Mommy,
Yes?
I already liked it.
You did? Okay, you already tried it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Remember?
so he already likes it because I gave him one yesterday, but I'm not sure if he'll eat it in school today. So we'll see if it goes well. And then we will catch you guys when he comes home. Bye. Hey guys, so we're back from school and we're gonna see what Brandon ate. Whoa, that's loud. Okay, so this morning we had some chicken fries and we had...
Whoa.
You ate all the chicken fries.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so it looks like he ate all 5 of those. He has like most of his lettuce left. Let's see his numbers. Here's number 2. Number
1.
4. He ate his Baby Bell cheese too.
And number 3.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so he did not eat any of the carrots. Pretty sure he didn't eat any of the lettuce. What are you doing?
Magic.
Magic?
Do that.
Okay, he's eating it all right now. I don't know why he just doesn't eat it during lunch, guys. Anyway, so he finished the cheese. He ate 1.5 pretzels. He, I think, ate some of the oranges, but none of the blueberries, and the vitamins are still here. So I think he only got maybe like, so I don't even know, 30% of it done. I'm not sure. And now he's trying to stuff his face to prove that he's going to eat the vegetables. So we'll see. His mouth is all full of food, guys. Okay, so we will see what is going to be for tomorrow. Have a good one. That's him with food in his mouth. All right, guys, have a monster-ific one. Bye.
Bye.